Hi. Hi.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
We're at MOA today for like Annalise's third time this weekend and my second time.
We went here on Friday though.
Ooh. We did?
Yeah. Remember? Remember?
Oh yeah, we did.
So it's your third time
So it's
too.
my third time too. We are in H&M, and
I need a sweatshirt.
doesn't Annalise look so pretty today?
Oh,
What?
no color.
Okay, these pants make my legs look like Skeleton Jack.
I told you.
You told me what?
I told you they look good on those pants. I had to go find out. I have to call Jordan. See what color she wants. I'm still recording.
Oh, this is exciting.
Yeah, I need
Weird ass people. Okay, you see that guy right there? See the bald guy right there?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that guy.
Hey, they have like
He is like, okay, he needs fucking help. He needs a lot of help. It's like an old guy trying to be young again. Hate those people. Oh, boxers.